Hello everyone. Did you know that genetic algorithms offer several key benefits, especially for complex or non-linear optimization problems? They are highly versatile and can search large multidimensional solution spaces without requiring gradient information, making them suitable for problems where traditional methods struggle. Genetic algorithms are robust against local optima, as their population-based approach allows exploration of multiple regions simultaneously. They can handle discrete, continuous, or mixed variables and are easily adapted to various problem types with minimal problem-specific knowledge. Additionally, genetic algorithms are inherently parallelizable, allowing for efficient implementation on modern computing architectures. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know by leaving a comment. See you in the next video.